Okay, so we're going to show the anatomy of the eye, and we're going to use two of the models here. All the external portions we're going to use this model, and internal ones this model. So the best thing to do first with the eye is to orient it. So we have a couple of different ways of doing that. The best way to do it is the lacrimal gland, if it's attached, which is this portion of the gland. If the gland is attached, it's always going to be on the lateral side.
Lateral superior
side as well. So that would put this as the medial end. Okay. And then from here we have all of our different muscles. So they're all by orientation. So this would make us the superior rectus. The inferior rectus would be down on the bottom. Medial rectus and lateral rectus. Now, if you don't have the gland attached, there's another way to orient it, which is by looking at the obliques, which are these muscles that go sideways. There's one here. That's the superior oblique. And then, if we have this oblique right here, which is the inferior oblique. From here, the external portions of the eye, anything that's white is the sclera. This is very big, tough tissue. This is where all the muscles are going to be attached. Also, the clear portion right here on the outside is the corona. And from there, we'll have to move more towards the internal. Actually, one other thing I guess I could show is, it's not attached, of course, but the optic nerve is going to attach right here.
Or on this other models, it could be this one right here.
Yeah. This one actually shows it much better. So this would be the optic nerve. And from here, we are going to show the choroid, which is this gray matter right here, and the gray matter right here. The retina would be this section, which is the vision portion of the eye.
So the part with veins?
It all is going to have some veins. Actually, the sclera, or the choroid, is actually going to have a lot more of the vascular matter. But this is where all the cones and rods are going to be attached. So it's more for vision, for purpose. From here we have the iris, which is right here. So if we actually, and this is the ciliary bodies. So it's going to go the choroid, ciliary bodies, and then pupil. All is that one layer.
Can you show again as I turn this to face the camera?
Sure. So this is the choroid. This right here, where it's kind of this textured area, is
the red area?
Yeah, is the ciliary body. And then this portion right here, of course, you're going to be whatever the color is going to be the iris.
And then, of course, the hole is the pupil.
The hole is going to be the pupil. And then what I'm touching right here, this is actually the lens. Now, the lens is an important landmark because the lens is going to define the anterior portion or the anterior segment of the eye, and from the lens back is going to be the posterior segment of the eye.
Oh no, API ORIS.
Yeah, okay.
Compressor API
Both compressors.
Another portion should probably show, or a section of the eye, is the fovea centralis, right here, which is marked as number 21 on this model.
Okay.
The little yellow area.
Yeah, and this is an important area. This is where vision is going to be the sharpest. So as light enters, this is going to be the sharpest portion for us to focus. Of course, opposite of that is going to be where the optic nerve is going to have our blind spot.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right.
I think we have it all.
Super spicy.